Are you a busy professional, an urban dweller, or a beginner plant owner dreaming of a lush indoor oasis? But the thought of constant watering, pruning, and plant care feels overwhelming? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're unveiling the top 12 low-maintenance indoor plants. These green companions are perfect for anyone with a demanding schedule, offering beauty without the fuss. Get ready to transform your space into a thriving sanctuary, even if you have a black thumb. First up, the virtually indestructible snake plant, or Sansevieria. Known for its striking architectural form, it adds a touch of modern elegance to any space. This plant thrives on neglect, tolerating low light and infrequent watering. It's also a fantastic air purifier, improving your indoor air quality effortlessly. Perfect for bedrooms or offices, it's truly a set-it-and-forget-it plant. Next, meet the Zazie plant, or Zamioculcas zamifolia, a true survivor. Its glossy, dark green foliage brings a sophisticated, tropical vibe to your home. The ZZ plant stores water in its rhizomes, making it incredibly drought-tolerant. You can forget to water it for weeks and it will still look fantastic. It thrives in low to bright indirect light, adapting to almost any indoor condition. Third on our list is the pothos, a classic for a reason. Its trailing vines can be styled in countless ways, adding a touch of natural elegance. Pothos is incredibly forgiving, tolerating inconsistent watering and various light levels. It's also known for its air-purifying qualities, making your home healthier. Whether in a hanging basket or climbing a pole, pothos is a versatile beauty. Number 4 is the charming spider plant, a favorite for its unique appearance. Its arching foliage and adorable spiderettes make it a delightful addition to any room. Spider plants are incredibly easy to care for, tolerating a wide range of conditions. They're also excellent air purifiers and safe for pets, a bonus for animal lovers. Plus, those spiderettes can be easily propagated, giving you endless new plants. At number 5, we have the versatile aloe vera, a plant with both beauty and purpose. Its striking succulent leaves make it a beautiful decorative piece. But beyond aesthetics, aloe vera is renowned for its medicinal properties. It's incredibly low maintenance, requiring minimal watering and bright indirect light. A must-have for any home, offering both beauty and a natural first aid kit. Coming in at number 6 is the elegant peace lily, a symbol of tranquility. Its striking white blooms and lush green foliage add a touch of sophistication. Peace lilies are excellent at telling you when they need water. Their leaves will droop. Once watered, they perk right back up, making care straightforward. They also purify the air, removing common household toxins. Halfway through our list at number 7 is the incredibly tough cast iron plant. As its name suggests, this plant is nearly indestructible. It tolerates deep shade, infrequent watering, and even temperature fluctuations. Perfect for those forgotten corners or rooms with very little natural light. If you struggle with keeping plants alive, this one is your best friend. Number 8 brings us the money tree, a plant steeped in symbolism and beauty. Its unique braided trunk and vibrant foliage make it a striking focal point. Believed to bring good luck and prosperity, it's a popular choice for homes and offices. Money trees are relatively easy to care for, preferring bright, indirect light and consistent watering. A beautiful and meaningful addition to any space, bringing positive energy. 9th on our list is the classic jade plant, a succulent known for its resilience. Its thick, fleshy leaves and tree-like structure give it a unique, sculptural appeal. Jade plants are incredibly drought-tolerant, storing water in their leaves. They thrive in bright light and can live for decades with minimal care. A symbol of good luck and friendship, making it a perfect gift or personal treasure. Number 10 is the lucky bamboo, a plant that brings a touch of zen to any space. Despite its name, it's not true bamboo but a dracaena, known for its easy care. It thrives in water, requiring only occasional water changes and indirect light. Often arranged in decorative shapes, it adds a unique artistic element to your decor. A perfect low-maintenance desk companion bringing good fortune and calm. 11th on our list is the fascinating air plant, or tillandsia, a plant like no other. These unique plants don't need soil, absorbing nutrients and water from the air. They require only occasional misting or a weekly soak, making them incredibly easy. Perfect for creative displays, they can be placed in terrariums, on shelves, or hung. Add a touch of modern artistry to your home with these fascinating low-fuss plants. Finally, at number 12, we have the bold and beautiful rubber plant. Its glossy, dark leaves, often with a deep maroon hue, create a dramatic visual impact. Rubber plants are surprisingly low maintenance for their impressive size. They prefer bright, indirect light and consistent watering, but can tolerate some neglect. A perfect choice if you want a large, impactful plant without constant fuss. There you have it, our top 12 low-maintenance indoor plants, perfect for your busy life. Each one offers unique beauty and benefits, transforming your home into a serene sanctuary. No more green thumb guilt, just effortless greenery and improved well-being. Which one will you choose to bring into your home? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips on creating your perfect indoor oasis.